Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing good in your homes. Today we are going to discuss unit number 1 of class 5. The name of unit is The Parcel on the Road. Firstly, we will do the reading and translation sentence wise, understand the difficult words meaning, do the picture description, solve the exercise question answers and do word sentences. Now open your book at page number 6. Let's start with reading. One day Bobby and Pinky were going home from school. एक दिन बॉबी और पिंकी स्कूल से घर जा रहे थे. They suddenly saw something lying on the road. उन्होंने अचानक ज़मीन पर कुछ पड़ा देखा. Underline the word suddenly means अचानक. What's that? said Bobby surprised. बॉबी ने हैरानगी से कहा ये क्या है? Surprised हैरानगी. It looks like a parcel. ये एक पार्सल लगता है. It is a parcel said Pinky. ये पार्सल ही है, पिंकी ने कहा. How strange. कितनी अजीब बात है. Strange अजीब. Who dropped it do you suppose? आपके ख्याल में ये किसने गिराया होगा? Bobby picked it up. बॉबी ने उसे उठाया. He looked to see if it had a name and address. उसने ये देखने के लिए उठाया कि क्या उस पर कोई नाम और पता है. But it had not. लेकिन उस पर नहीं था. It was tied up firmly with a string and had also a stamp on it. ये एक रस्सी से मजबूती से बंधा हुआ था. Firmly मजबूती से. And had also a stamp on it. और उस पर एक मोहर भी थी. Stamp मोहर. But there was no address on it at all. लेकिन उस पर कोई भी पता नहीं था. I know what has happened said Bobby. बॉबी ने कहा मुझे पता है क्या हुआ होगा. The postman must have come along with his van full of parcels. पोस्टमैन डाकिया अपनी पार्सल से भरी वैन के साथ यहाँ आया होगा. एंड वन ऑफ देम ड्रॉप्ड आउट. और उनमें से एक बाहर गिर गया होगा. ड्रॉप्ड आउट बाहर गिरा. द एड्रेस स्लिप हैज़ मिस्ड समवेयर एल्स. और पते वाली पर्ची भी गुम हो गई होगी. कम अप स्टूडेंट्स टू सी विच टाइप ऑफ टेंस इज़ यूज्ड. वर, वाज, अगेन वाज. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ पास्ट टेंस. गोइंग, go plus ing. First form with ing means that it is a type of past continuous tense. It makes clear from this. When you read the chapter thoroughly, you will find out that there are some words difficult. Let's discuss their meaning. Suddenly, strange, parcel, honest, and astonishment are some words that are difficult. Now write their meanings with me. Suddenly means अचानक. And in English we can say unexpectedly. Strange means अजीब. And in Urdu and in English unusual. Honest means ईमानदार. And you will say in English truthful. Astonishment means हैरत. In English great surprise. Parcel means parcel. And object wrapped in paper. Let's start with the picture description. In the picture you can see that there are two siblings, boy and a girl, means brother and sister. They were going home from school. They saw something on the road. The boy bent down to see what it is. Do the description of this picture by yourself. Let's do the exercise question answers. Part A. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How did the parcel drop? Parcel कैसे गिरा? The van with parcels passed through the way and one of the parcel dropped out. पार्सल से भरी हुई वैन रास्ते से गुजरी और एक पार्सल गिर गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Who did not let the parcel be opened? किसने पार्सल ना खोलने दिया? Pinky did not let the parcel be opened. पिंकी ने पार्सल ना खोलने दिया. Question number 3. What did Bobby say to postmaster while putting the parcel on the counter? पार्सल को काउंटर पर रखते हुए बॉबी ने डाकिये से क्या कहा? The answer to this question is Bobby said, please, we found this lying besides the road. बॉबी ने कहा, मेहरबानी करके हमें ये सड़क पर पड़ा मिला है. Question number 4, whose address was traced out? उनको किसका पता मिला? The address of the children's house was traced out. उनको बच्चों के घर का पता मिला. Question number 5 is, what was inside the parcel? पार्सल के अंदर क्या था? The answer is, there was a beautiful woolly hat for mummy, a watch for Bobby and a doll for Pinky. उस पार्सल में अम्मी के लिए एक खूबसूरत गर्म टोपी थी, बॉबी के लिए एक घड़ी और पिंकी के लिए एक गुड़िया थी. Try to understand the word sentences. See your book exercise. The first word is suddenly. Now try to make the sentence with this word. Suddenly, अचानक. Suddenly, Ali saw a lion coming towards him. अचानक अली ने एक शेर अपनी तरफ आता देखा. In the same way, do rest of the sentences by your own. I hope this lecture helps you to get complete understanding of this chapter. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.